In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Instagram posts, a step-by-step guide. First, match your social copy to the proper model tier. Look at the model selection drop-down at the top of your chat window and choose the engine that fits the job. Keep it on the instant tier when you need rapid, high-volume output. It's great for quick one-line Reels hooks, fixing typos in a standard bio, or spinning up lists of common lifestyle hashtags. Switch to the thinking tier when you're mapping out long-form carousel copy, building multi-week content calendars, or crafting narrative-driven caption sequences that aim for saves and shares. A helpful tip: if you're switching tiers for a different objective, start a fresh chat so each model has clean context. Next, use the hook story offer caption prompt. Don't open with something flat like write an Instagram caption about coffee. That kind of input invites cliche results. Instead, paste a structured instruction that sets role, goal, and format. For example, act as an elite social media copywriter, digital growth strategist, and viral content director. I need a high-converting Instagram caption for a post about your topic. Structure it with hook story offer. Begin with a high-friction, attention-grabbing first line. Follow with a brief 3-sentence relatable struggle or story, and close with a single clear CTA to save the post or click the link in my bio. Keep the vocabulary crisp, avoid corporate buzzwords, and use natural line breaks. This gives the model direction and keeps your caption tight and purposeful. Then boost saves with a multi-slide carousel storyboard prompt. Carousels are powerful because Instagram may resurface them if someone skips past the first slide. Act as a visual designer and structural content strategist. I want a number slide educational carousel about topic. Provide a complete storyboard formatted into a clean markdown table with slide number, exact on-screen title/text, visual background or graphic direction, and a swipe trigger hook that compels the user to move to the next panel. This turns vague ideas into a slide-by-slide plan you can design quickly. Finally, build an intent-driven hashtag and SEO strategy. Instagram leans on semantic search as well as tags, so stop spamming generic labels. Prompt: act as an Instagram algorithm optimization specialist and SEO researcher. My niche is your niche. Provide 15 targeted hashtags in 3 groups: 5 broad industry tags, 5 specific niche community tags, and 5 hyper-focused feature or problem tags. Also include a 2-sentence semantic SEO description, rich with relevant keywords for the bottom of my caption. This keeps your reach focused and discoverable. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on